Hello, this is Steve. I'm going to show you how to edit the stuff inside the footer and the sidebar. You're looking at a footer currently, and these are what they call widgets inside of the footer. You can edit the content within these widgets. Sometimes there are different types of widgets. There's text widgets, there's specially formatted widgets like this contact one you're looking at. There's forms, and there's this one happens to be a menu, and this one happens to be an automatic widget that pulls things automatically. I'll show you where you can find these in the back end. If you log into your WordPress, you'll need to go to Appearance and then Widgets. Over here on the right hand side are what they call the sidebars. Now you may think of a sidebar as it's the bar on the side of your website. The way that, and it is, but the way that WordPress actually labels these things is a sidebar is a group of widgets that can either show in a sidebar visually or a footer. So these are what you call sidebars over here. And you just have to find the one that has the content in it that you want to change. So in this website's case, we have footer area 1, footer area 2. It's kind of clear what those are. So here's the widget that's on the far left. Here's the next one in, and so forth. So if we wanted to change the text for that contact, we could come in here and find our phone number, address, or whatever, change it, click the Save button, and then we could go back out to the front end and refresh it and make sure that the change looks good. Now if you want to make a change to, for example, for a special widget like this menu here, you would probably come in here and you'd find out that this is a menu and it says select menu. It's using the listings by type menu. So those are special cases where you don't actually edit the widget's content here. It's just set to show a menu, so you'd have to go and edit that menu, which by the way is under Appearance and Menus. So it's the same way with things that are in the left or right sidebar. Just need to find which quote sidebar you need here and expand it, find the one that has the content in it, and edit your text. Click Save, and then check the front end after you refresh.